Ahoy sailors! Finally we made it. We arrived at the customs and the immigration of St. Petersburg just in time. Here at the customs I had to fill 4 identical papers in the office, next to a copy machine. Poor guys working here. They were so nervous about me filling the formulas the correct way. I wonder if anybody is ever checking if the forms are correct filled. We are just a bunch of random tourists. It seems a little old-fashioned. But on this journey I wanted to experience the difference in the countries we are visiting. So actually I found the meeting with the authorities just as interesting as visiting the famous castles.
Ja, man føler sig lidt dum, når man sidder ved siden af en kopimaskine og skal skrive det samme.
And as a surprise, after the paper job was done, an uniformed official person came by, asking us about how we were treated, if people had been polite to us on the radio and so on. He told us they want to improve the service for visiting yachts.
Huge X.
Thank you.
As mentioned earlier, we were sailing with too much speed last night, and for timing our arrival, we reduced our sail area to only a few square meter head sails. That kept the vessel speed under 5 knots. What a shame. Speed on a sailboat makes you high. But anyway, we had a terrific time on board Bluebird. The crew setup worked perfectly. The spirit was high and nobody was seasick. Sailing in the night was a new experience to Timo and Nadine, and they were excited about all the huge vessels coming and going to our destination. Allan and Timo were off watch in the early morning.
Hallo.
Hallo?
Hallo.
Hvad skal vi have at spise i aften?
Det finder vi Ulle, men det skal være noget med kartofler og kød.
Nadine prepared a huge lunch on the last bit of the trip. It is not fun exploring a big Russian city on an empty stomach.